SIRI Wire is a manufacturer of stainless steel and nickel-based alloy wires. Our product goes into a wide variety of applications: rivets, screws, springs, shaped wire products. My name is Tim Bollinger and my position is maintenance manager. It is my responsibility to maintain production capacity, quality, and efficiency. It is my responsibility to make sure that we have the consumable products that get used in the annealing process, the gases for a protective atmosphere that the wire has to be exposed to while it's being heat treated. Those gases have to be correctly blended. In the drawing process, it's important to make sure that mechanically the machines are in good order, that pulleys turn as they're supposed to, motors are turning as they're supposed to. Our expectations for how much material will come off of the machine in a given shift, and if the machine is not running properly, it will be hard for the operator to reach those goals. So it's my responsibility to make sure that those machines can. Downtime is lost revenue and unhappy customers. I'm on call 24/7. to keep things turning, listening to operators' observations and complaints. I have to begin the troubleshooting process by determining if it's a mechanical or an electrical issue, and that means breaking out the blueprints or the schematics and just beginning the process of trying to isolate and resolve whatever issue is causing the problem. Extra steps is more time. Time is money. So if we can combine processes or eliminate processes to get the wire from its original size to its finished size as efficiently as possible, you have to keep an eye on that goal all the time. Sometimes it requires the design and manufacture of new equipment in order to achieve better efficiencies. My work here at SIRI Wire has given me a lot of opportunities to learn new things. I really don't have anyone to turn to teach me things, so I'm sort of on my own. If I want to know how to do something, I do whatever it takes to answer a question or perform a task. Skills and experience are portable for maintenance personnel. You build on yourself and you build your value. Opportunities like SIRI Wire do happen. I'm glad to be here. I get to do a wide variety of things. I have a diverse job. Not coming into the same thing every day is the way I like it.